Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on the 6th day of August, 2025. As always, trades of the day were trades taken either by myself or traders in the live trading room for Samurai Day Trading. So this is one taken in today, and then we're going to visit our old friend, the strong candle indicator. So we have a little green arrow pointing upwards. We have a very strong candle that has just taken place, and we expect that to continue. We look over here at the PVI. I expect the next candle to be anywhere between 50 and 70 ticks long. So we're going to use our usual ATM, which is 2 times 16, a 31 and a 61 runner. And this is exactly what happened in the room today. So here we go. We'll get the order on. We're going to buy, and we're going to start well, I guess we could start it. Doesn't really matter whether we go outside the candle or not. We'll wait for the retrace. If it retraces down, which I believe it did, we're going to go ahead and just put our order on the body of the candle. So here's how it went today. Okay, that'll work. Anywhere in there. There we go. Perfect. Now we'll wait to get picked up and then we'll speed it up. But this is our usual trade. We do this we do it every day. Doesn't always wind up being trade of the day because sometimes I like to mix it up and use deltas or some other samurai day trading indicator that nobody else has. So we're going to use this one. Nobody else has this except for samurai day trading. So all I need to do right now is move my stop into the proper position. We'll go ahead and speed it up. When our first target gets taken out, our stop will be all the way down there. We'll come to a break-even position, and we'll go from there. So let's go ahead and speed the chart up a bit. This is 4 times regular speed, so it's a lot faster than actually happened in the LTR, but we don't want people falling asleep during this either. So here we go. Boom. As soon as our first target got taken out, our stop came to break-even position. If the market comes back down, the second target's out as well. So we can't lose any money. Even if we get taken out underneath our entry point, we'll still make money on this trade. If I do get taken out, I can put another order on and we can try the whole thing over again. So this goes ahead and it pays all targets. Boom, there it goes. All right, that was pretty quick. All right, that trade took 3.5 minutes and was worth 620 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 620 US dollars in 3.5 minutes, come join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. Samuraidaytrading.com. We look forward to seeing you in the room soon. God bless. We'll see you next time.